Here are my thoughts on the Persil Everyday Clean Original Scent laundry detergent. For this one, it just comes with a measuring cup here, and that even there's different lines inside that tell you how much detergent you'll need for however big the laundry load is. I saw that it was a little bit more expensive, but I just wanted to try it out because it had good reviews from other people. And so I have noticed a huge difference that when there are a lot of stained clothing, that I will use this one over anything else because I have seen that this will get the job done better. I save this one for the more heavily stained clothing. One thing is our family always gets the original scent, and that's because we tried Persil, a different scent that maybe had more stuff in it. And it did make my wife's skin, we think it made my wife's skin kind of break out and have rashes. And so when we went back to this, we have not experienced any of that. So we love the brand, but we only stick with the original just in case.